Good morning and welcome to the mustache. We just woke up, Charlie is making breakfast and we have a guest here. Who's this? What do we call him?
Loke.
Loke! Loke! Hey Loke! It's our dog for the day. Yeah, I'm in Gothenburg now and we're just relaxing. We have about 5 days until we leave to Copenhagen? Is it Copenhagen?
Yeah.
Yeah, Copenhagen. So, yeah, it's gonna be nice. Oh ja. Hello.
Ska vi gå ut?
Ska vi gå ut?
Vi har precis varit ute.
Going outside? Going outside? Oh, oh. So this is our next meal. What is it called in English? Huh?
Small strawberries.
Small strawberries. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. We've been out walking for over 2 hours now and he has still energy after running a round in the forest. He's just weird. He's running around after his own tail. Okay. Okay. I think he sees ghosts or something. Cutest dog. He's weird. I don't know what he's doing. And this is what we have for dinner. Or this is lunch actually. So, yeah, nice. Hey, we're back home and it's so windy outside today, but we went on a 2-hour walk and it was really nice. It's a big forest, like a trail. You can go out running and stuff. Charlie is giving back the dog to the owners. And just gonna relax for the day and see you tomorrow. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.